Night night.
And we ended up homeless
Night night.
because I just didn't have anywhere to go, and that's how I pretty much ended up sleeping in my car with my daughter on my chest. That was the toughest
Night
time of my
night.
life. My brother moved in town, stayed with him for a year, got on my feet, and I make my living now by singing at churches and weddings and wherever I'm needed. A little bit of nervousness. To win the voice, it would be like a fresh start, for my daughter and me.
Night night.
Me to take care of some
Night
things
night.
that she really needs, because it's always been about taking care of my daughter. This one's for you, baby girl. This is it.
Night night. Night night. Kiss? Can I have a kiss? Can I have a kiss? Kiss?